So you almost got to be like hungry for the success instead of just being content and like just coasting through your job or whatever.
Yes, and hungry is good, but I think there's a lot of people out there like, you got to be hungry, you got to be hungry. Well, if you're hungry all the time, eventually you're starving and your stomach's growling and you're like, I'm freaking starving, and you get frustrated. But if you're just excited, like, I'm in the game, like I'm the star of my own movie, and any second now some other character is going to walk in and something big's going to happen. Is it going to be today? I don't know. And if you're, I think hungry is great, but excited beats hungry every day of the week, right? Because if you're hungry, eventually you got to eat. If you're excited, it's always that next day, that next phone call in your swim trunks with a stupid ass shirt on. Well, I thought it was a cool shirt for the beach, but I'm like, man, here's the moment, right? Like, I got to go walk up and introduce myself to this person. And that's what makes life fun. That's the stuff that you remember. She's like, dude, I took a shot, right? Like I introduced myself to that person. That person hopefully knows I exist now.